Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will be sharing unboxing and a first look of a let's say old knife. This will be under the Tanto knives slash Emerson CQC7 design borrowed design elements knife in my collection. So it is the Ganzo Firebird G613, and this one was released at around 9 years ago, so 2014. It depends on when are you watching this video. So I just came to find this knife on accident. I was just buying some presents from my nephews, and the store had this knife on there, so I would say, yeah, for that price, why not? I grabbed it, and it was a little bit similar to the CQC7. We'll be talking about a little bit later, but now let me give you the specification. So we have an over length of 18.1 centimeters or 7.1 inch. The blade is 7.3 centimeters, 2.9 inches. The blade width is 2.4 centimeters, 0.9 inches. The blade thickness is 2 millimeters or 0.08 inches. Handles are 10.8 centimeters long or 4.25 inches with a thickness of 1.2 centimeters or 0.5 inches. As you can see, the materials on this one, we have plastic scales and 440C stainless satin finish on the blade. This is well around that 2014 time period when Ganzo really just started to make more models, transitioning from plastic to completely in micarta and so on. So it is a little bit dated in today's standards, but yeah, it is what it is. Also, as you can see, the pocket clip is not that beautiful in today's standards, but it's fairly light stiffness. You should have no problems to carry this one if you for some reason choose so. So as far as liners go, we have stainless steel liners, liner lock. They are partially skeletonized, just in the two millings. You can see through, of course. This has those horrible Chinese toothy partial serrated edge, like lots of inexpensive knife have, and I do not really recommend these tools or any kind of knife. It will definitely shred open any kind of meat and cloth, but definitely not good for cutting. On the blade, as you can see, we have really nice drop point, the American Tanto configuration with old Ganzo logo on the front and model number and steel on the other side. This is a completely right-hand biased knife because we have no possibility to change the pocket clip, and the thumb studs are only on one side. So Ganzo did go a lot of improvements through the years, and now most of the knife they offer, they have also swappability, so ambidextrous carry. So that is definitely good to have in today's market. This one, as you can see, these are injection molded ABS plastic handle scales. They give you quite a few finger grooves, definitely not needed. For me, it will be a 3-finger affair right here, and the jimping here is lowered at the midpoint of the scale, so this is not functional at all. Then of course the blade drops a little bit down further. Liner lock, and it has bronze washers, so you can nicely flick it out, slow roll it, and so on. As far as variants go, I don't know if there were made any other variants than this one, and that this one is still available in 2023. Just says that either these did not sell so well, or they made so many of them that they didn't sold out, or maybe they are still making it, I don't know. So as far as pocket profile goes, you can see the lip is non-existent on this one, so you will have some problems to put it inside your pants. Yeah, not good enough. So if you choose for some reason to carry this one, I would suggest just bend the pocket clip a little bit up, or just help with your finger on the midpoint, and then it will go inside your pen. So definitely oversight QC, maybe QC issue right there. Now let's see size comparisons, but before let's talk about the sharpness. So I don't know if this will be sharp enough to, yeah, okay, so it is sharp enough to cut paper. Yeah, the partial striations, they are unfortunately not good enough. So let's see the comparisons between the real Emerson CQC7, so that you can see the differences. This will be somewhere probably around the mini configuration. This is a standard sized. As you can see, there are some similarities between the flow of the handle, but yeah. So if this was a poor man's CQC7 for round, and the price they're stating on the website is $9, so maybe dealers will have it even less than $9. I think I did pay somewhere around that in euros. I don't really remember, but yeah. And not to sound negative, but you can probably understand from the position of this video that this is not something that I would recommend to buy or even go out and hunt down. Only if you are a collector of certain designs like I am, then this is maybe something for you, and maybe you missed it in the past years when these came out. And then yeah, good luck. Maybe check your favorite retail store with knives, or go on eBay, and probably you will find some of them. So as you can see, these are serrations, they are done right. This is how it's supposed to be. But yeah, there is quite no comparisons between a under $300 than compared with a $9 knife. So, and let's face it, it's better to have something than nothing. So if you like the design but don't have the money, I will definitely not judge anybody who is in this position. Then go for it and check it out. But maybe you would like to see another option in my series of CQC7 or CQC7 videos, where I did previously shown more models that are a little bit maybe more pricier than $9, but definitely give you a much better knife for the price. So now let's see the size comparison. So here is the Cold Steel Recon 1 Mini. I don't know, let's continue with the Kaiser Backlighter 2, QSP Penguin, and of course CVV Elementum, small grip Tillian from Benchmade, let's see the Red Model 1, CGRB Feldspar Mini, Spider Copper Military Free, CRKT Pilar 1, Benchmade Bug Out, Bug 110 Slim Ranger, Spyderco Delica, Rough Rider Peanut, and the Rough Rider 21 and 93 or G10 liner lock. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. So I forgot if I mentioned the weight. It is 91.7 grams or 3.2 ounces, obviously made in China. So yeah, another CQC7 inspired design, this time from Ganzo knives. So if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply, and of course, as soon as I can. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.